come to see Maestro, have you? You think you're brave enough to go inside? The mystery of the Phantom Theater awaits you through that door.
What are you looking at? Looking for some excitement, are you? Now, behold the mysteries of the Phantom Theater.
After more than 2 decades, Kings Island is set to revive a cherished former attraction with an interactive twist. Phantom Theater, Opening Nightmare, set to debut in 2026, replacing the closing Boo Blasters on Boo Hill, which will hold its final scares on September 1st, 2025. Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, everybody, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button now. We couldn't do it without all of you guys, and of course a huge shout out goes out to all of our channel members for being a part of the best community out there. Now let's get back to this video. This new rendition will honor the original Phantom Theater, which operated from 1992 to 2002, while elevating the experience with modern enhancements. And guess what, guys? Sally Darkride is spearheading the design. Set against the backdrop of a dark and stormy night, the ride opens in a grand ghost-haunted opera house. Riders join No Legs Larry, the theater's legendary usher, to capture mischievous ghost notes unleashed by a lightning strike. Guest board enchanted opera boxes to chase down these ghostly musical spirits and return them to their source. The ride is said to go through 26 immersive scenes, including backstage corridors, dressing rooms, haunted hallways, and of course, a fiery boiler room. Along the way, riders will encounter animatronic performances by familiar faces of the theater: Houdolini, the Great Garbanzo, Hilda Bovine, Lionel Barrymore, as well as a brand new addition, Arpeggio, Maestro's feline companion. The experience is filled with multi-sensory effects, hidden Easter eggs, and culminates in a grand musical finale featuring the entire cast. Tony Caravellano said, "Families who have visited Kings Island will remember how special the original Phantom Theater was, and they've always wanted it to return. While paying homage to the original ride, Phantom Theater, Opening Nightmare's modern and advanced features will help create new memories and stories." So why does this revival matter so much to Kings Island's fans? Well, I never got to visit during the early 2000s, but all I've ever heard about is Phantom's Theater. It's one of those things that's just kind of etched into the history of Kings Island. The nostalgic roots from guests who enjoyed the original ride in the 90s, and now having kids being able to experience that again with them, the new modern magic and interactive elements and updated scenery, that's going to bring a whole new aspect to the park. Interactive storytelling from something that people already loved from before. We're going to be out there in the middle of a stormy night chasing ghost notes. That's pretty awesome. And then of course the seamless legacy. That same ride has housed multiple eras of rides in there, from Scooby-Doo to Boo Blasters, and now making the return, Phantom Theater. It kind of feels full circle in Kings Island's history here. And for many fans, I understand exactly why they're so excited. Let me know how you guys are feeling down below. I know it's not the Family Thrill 2026 edition that they were talking about a year ago, but this is still pretty exciting for Kings Island's fans. Let me know down below. Give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And of course, as always, thank you for being a part of our spooky community and for coaster ghosting with Ghoster Coasters.
Your attention, please. Kings Island will be closing in 10 minutes. Please make your way to the front of the park, and we hope you had a wonderful day here at Kings Island.
Go ahead. Look around. So, you wanted to see the theater, did ya? Looking for some excitement, are you?